Okay, next. The next one. Next one daw. Okay, one
Camila.
It's ours. It's ours. It's ours.
Group late. Group late. Ay, group absent.
Oh, kumating ako ng group. Good morning. Morning daw.
Paano na kayo ko, pare?
Ano po? Putal po na.
Wait.
Nandaw.
Lalagay ko ulit sa YouTube to.
Okay, guys. Okay, quiet. Second point.
Putal.
Usually in this picture, you see four trees that are cut out. The effects of this are that's like boom. But there's a curtain. Overflowing.
Son, ibon.
It's okay, enough. Okay, very good. What group is this? Baga. Ang suka ng baga. Which group is this?
Plus maggabi. Zoom.
It's okay.
Ayan, parang.
Lapit yan, Pat.
Very important. Please listen. A pleasant morning to us. We are the representing cause and effect. Our cause and effect is all about so that if the release the smoke in your body, it can affect our lungs and the result of this body.
Wow, look at me.
Our cause, smoke in car, the smoke
Kailangan maghati.
release in affect our lungs. The effect is our lungs will destroy.
Pag nilangap yung usok, tapos agad yung baga.
And what's the effect? Your illness.
Yes, heart.
National health. TB. It will destroy your lungs. Okay? So who's going to report next? This one.
Moira.
Who is this?
Moira!
What's your name, Moira?
Ted! Nag-report yun to.
Okay, who will report next? Listen, guys.
Kasi yung documentary natin, ba't di na natuloy? Ano ba yun? Tignan mo yung sa cos, ang lalaki ng building, tapos yung sa effect, ang liliit na. Diba?
Nilubog na nga sa bahay.
Throw garbage
In the river.
if you throw garbage improperly or not properly,
Wait lang, wait
then
lang.
the effect will be flash
Flash
floods
floods.
or floods.
Flash
It's
flood.
the clogging of drainage. That's the clog. The drainage has been clogged. Okay, what happens if the drainage clogged?
Ano?
Flash floods. Okay, floods. Alright? So next, very good. Let's move on to the next chart or next place here.
Sunog baga.
Which group is this? Group 1. This is group.
This is Cordero!
Group 7.
Four.
Group 7.
Group
What group?
Group 7.
So what group is this? Okay, this is what? Group what? So this is already ilan?
Oy!
Oy, ano tayo, Nine?
Oy! Group absent kayo.
Okay, what group is this? 7, and then this is group 5? 4 na!
Four.
4. Ba't gano'n ang
Walang 6.
Ay, gumagalaw.
Alright.
Walang 6.
So, group 6, come on, report. Come on, stand up.
Tapos na si Rodel. Tapos na si Rodel.
Okay, let's going to discuss group 6. Come on now, stand up.
Wala yung airpod. Ano, wala yung airpod.
Pil yung camera. Pil.
Oh, stand up now, okay, come on, stand up now. Come on, we don't have time to wait for you. Quiet, please quiet. Go to the other way. Okay. The cause is the boy burns the forest. The effect of what's exactly done when you burn the forest?
Ayan, no, nakasulat oh. Ay, basahin.
No.
Landslide.
Ano, ano?
So,
Ay, sorry, ma'am.
so what happens when you burn the forest? What?
Landslide.
Answer. There. Okay, very good.
Global
So again, if you burn the forest, the smoke of the forest will go up to the
ozone
sky
layer.
and it will affect the
Ozone layer.
layer. That will cause the global warming. Okay, so very good. Next, for group 8. Group 8, come on. Okay, go. Quiet, quiet. People. Quiet. Done. Quiet. Morning ako na. Morning, ma'am. Morning, class. Good morning. This picture shows us when throwing the garbage in the wrong place, there will be the effect that bring us that smell was there. Okay. So again, if we do not, the cause, if we do not throw the garbage properly, it will cause, or the effect will be done and also diseases. What are those kinds of diseases that we get? Okay, leptospirosis. And it will lead you to dying or death. Okay, very good. Group 7. Okay, come on, Aaron. Leandro, come on. Quiet.
Morning, class. Morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Morning. Morning. Morning. This is the report of Group 7. Our topic is cutting of trees. We know that, in our world, there's a lot of animals cutting of trees or illegal loggers. And there's a one reason of being cause of flood, soil erosion. And our first effect is on highway.
Gabang mo?
In the side of mountain, but it's not look like an highway.
Ay, ganda dito.
Then, it's the cause of soil erosion.
Okay, very good. So again, for the cause, cutting of trees, the effect will be
Severe.
soil erosion. It means to say that if you have soil erosion, tendency is there will be landslide. Okay, very good. Okay, thinking. Put it on your Facebook. Come on, the last group. Group 4.
12 minutes na to.
Let's go.
Good morning, Miss.
Woo!
Good morning, Ma'am.
Sira.
Good morning.